Sawadee-kap! Wanna experience Thailand in Bahrain? Watch this! Welcome to Bring Good Vibes! Welcome back to my vlog. And of course, for today's video guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Thai Mart. Katabi lang po mismo ng Dragon City dito sa DR Al Muharraq. Kaya samahan niyo ako for today's vlog. Dito tayo ngayon sa ground floor food court at marami pong available dito from the Chinese restaurant, Thai restaurant, tsaka Arabic seafood restaurant. Welcome to Thailand! Here at Thai Mart Mall, mas pinalaki at mas pinadami po ang kanilang mga shop na available po not only for the authentic Thailand food, authentic Thailand delicacies and streetwear, because Thai Mart Mall is consists of Asian and even local brands from different variety of products like for cosmetics, wellness, entertainment, even Korean supermarket is available also here at Thai Mart. And of course, not only that, they have a lot of items are available from the Korea, Japan, Chinese, from the hygienes, from the bags for your cosmetics items, for beauty products, at marami pa silang items na tsak na magugustuhan nyo dito sa Thai Mart Mall dahil andito na lahat na kailangan mo. Even Bangkok Beauty Station is available also here at Thai Mart Mall. Meron din silang artful na available dito mga souvenirs from Thailand na pwede mo din siya bilhin dito mismo sa Bahrain. Kaya no pang nihintay nyo mga kabayan, magpasyal-pasyal na at mag-shopping only here at Thai Mart Mall. At marami din silang mga food stalls na available sa kanilang ground floor at saka even ang kanilang Thai spa ay available din dito at meron din silang Taste of Asia from na makikita sa first floor ng Thai Mart Mall at meron din silang Kids Palace na available para sa anak nyo. Kaya no pang nihintay nyo, mag Thai Mart Mall na. Opening timings sila mga kabayan from weekdays 10 to 10, weekends 10 to 11, and please don't forget to follow the Instagram account Thai Mart Bahrain. Kailangan pumunta ng Thailand dahil dito sa Bahrain ma-experience mo na ang Thai experience. Kaya pang hinihintay nyo, mag Thai Mart na.